Without good technicians under us, competent people under us, a business fails. So to me, it's important. It's an important role. We have to communicate with them. We have to be their friend. We have to be their brother. We have to be their father, and we have to be their mate, because we have to get inside their heads. And what I mean by getting inside their heads, we have to understand what excites them in life. What do they like about this job? Where do they see their future? What inspires them? What work on motor vehicles do they like doing?
Yeah,
it's no good. I think to inspire your mechanics, we're going to inspire them by giving them a mundane job that they don't like doing. We have to communicate them and give them change all the time, give them challenges all the time, but give them support at the same time. So really, I look back on myself, on my business, and I'm trying to analyse our business all the time, what we can do to improve, and is that building that relationship with the mechanic and communication and getting trust in them and getting confident and getting them confidence to talk with us and come to us when they've got a challenge.
It sounds like a coach talking to the sporting team, doesn't it?
I believe it's on par. There's no difference. The coach is trying to get the best out of his players on the day. We're trying to get the best out of our staff. Well, we're doing our utmost to get the best out of our mechanics on a day-to-day basis. They're so important to us. Without their survival, we can have trouble surviving.
Do you think it's important that a technician's education continues beyond trade school, beyond the apprentice years?